Central Government of India. The Government of India or the central government is the governing authority of the country which governs it as per the Constitution of India. The official name of the Indian government is the Union Government of India. The government carries out its operation from New Delhi, the capital city of the nation. The central government of India comprises three distinctive branches that are the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary. Executive. Executive is comprising the president, the vice president, the prime minister, and the cabinet ministers of India. Being the head of the state, the president of India heads the country's government. As mentioned in Article 74 of the Indian Constitution, the country's president acts in accordance with the advice of the Prime Minister of the Republic, who is the head of the government. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President. Apart from the Prime Minister, the President even appoints Council of Ministers as well as numerous other high-ranking government officials after consultation with the Prime Minister. The Vice President, who occupies the second rank in the government hierarchy after the rank of the President, is vested with the legislative power to act as Rajya Sabha's chairperson. Legislature. The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative authority in the country and it is bicameral. It is divided into two houses, the Rajya Sabha, which is the Council of States, and the Lok Sabha, which is the House of the People. Important facts about the Indian Parliament. The Parliament of India is circular, which represents continuity. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are horseshoe in shape. Lok Sabha carpet is green in color, which represent that India is an agriculture land and the people here are elected from the grassroots level. Rajya Sabha carpet is red in color, which denotes royalty and also tells about the sacrifice done by the freedom fighters. The first hour, that is between 11 to 12 noon, is known as the question hour. During this, MPs put forward questions about the policies, government and different bills. Around 12 noon, MPs can discuss any important topic with prior notice to the speaker. This is known as 0 hour. Voting in Parliament is done electronically for the questions asked, amendments, new bills, etc. There is a voting console, a system with colored buttons, green for yes, red for no, and yellow for abstain. Judiciary. Headed by the Supreme Court of India, the judiciary consists of 24 high courts and many district level civil, family, as well as criminal courts. Kolkata High Court is the oldest high court in India. Fast track courts. The fast track courts FTC in India were aimed at clearing the backlog of cases which were pending in the district and the session courts. Lok Adalats. Lok stand for people and the meaning of Adalat is court, and therefore this institution in general means the people's court.